Greetings from Pakistan, orphanage and persecuted center. The construction of dining hall and kitchen is going very fast, and we are grateful. The sheltering work is almost completed, and now God have provided us the iron, and we are believing in this coming week this roof will also completed. The bathrooms are also under construction, and everything God is making possible through your prayer and support. Keep praying that the remaining work will complete it soon, and the children and people those are suffering will able to come and have a hope in living Christ. Thank you, and keep praying for us.